Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the premium hobby upgrade ticket in Heartopia. So once your any hobby reaches level 10, for example like this, you will need a premium hobby upgrade ticket like this to upgrade the level. But if you can find where to get it, that's because you need to reach DG member level 50 first. You will get this ticket from rewards of DG member upgrade. This one, and you will get it when you reach level 51. In my case, in here I can see the level 50 first, but from the information that I get, you can get this premium hobby upgrade when you reach the DG member level 50 first. So my suggestions is, if one of your hobbies is already level 10 like this, for example in here my gardening hobby already reached level 10 like this, just leave it for now and focus on upgrading your other hobbies first while working toward DG level 50. And for the best priority, maybe when you start play the games, I recommend upgrading cooking and gardening hobby first because they are the most useful for earning coins. And after that you can do maybe fishing hobby or bird watching, dog carrying, cat carrying, or maybe insect catching. And so basically the premium hobby upgrade ticket is unlocked through GG member level 50 first, not directly from the hobby itself. And okay, that's it for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.